In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to your Shopify store or specific sections using custom CSS. Whether you're looking to enhance your store's visual appeal or highlight a specific area, adding a background image can make a significant difference. Let's get started step by step to ensure clarity and thoroughness. First, you need to upload the image you want to use. Begin by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, head over to the Content section and select Files. This is where you can upload your chosen image. Once your image is successfully uploaded, make sure to copy the URL of this image. This URL is essential because it will be used later in your CSS code to set the background image. Next, let's access your themes code. Go back to the Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store, followed by Themes. Locate the theme you wish to edit and click on Actions, then choose Edit Code. Here lies the core of your customization. Once you're in the code editor, locate or create a CSS file. In the Assets folder, search for a suitable CSS file like base.css, theme.css, or style.css. If you prefer to keep your modifications separate, you can opt to create a new CSS file. This can often help with organization and debugging. Now it's time to add your custom CSS. Open the CSS file you've chosen and scroll all the way to the end. This is where you'll insert your new code. You'll want to add a block of CSS like this: CSS body, or a specific sections class ID. Background image, URL your image URL JPG. Background size, cover. Adjust as needed. Cover, contain, auto, background position, center, adjust as needed. Background repeat, no repeat. Adjust as needed, no repeat, repeat X, repeat E. Remember to replace your image URL JPG with the URL you copied earlier. If you want the background image to apply across the entire store, use body as your selector. However, to target a specific section, inspect the section on your live store to identify its unique class or ID, such as .section featured products or #footer section, and use that as your selector instead of body. Moving on to our final steps, save the changes you've made to your CSS file. After saving, reload your Shopify store to see the new background image take effect. Now, let's discuss some important considerations. For image optimization, ensure you are using web-friendly formats like WebP for faster loading times, enhancing the user experience. If you're applying a background image to specific sections, set the section's background color to transparent in the theme customizer to let your image shine through. Also, use background size cover to maintain responsiveness across different devices. Lastly, ensure that your CSS selectors are specific enough to avoid any unintended styling issues. By following these instructions, you can effortlessly incorporate background images into your Shopify store, sprucing up its appearance and providing a tailored aesthetic. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.